So now today friends, I am showing how to copy data, still or maybe clip from pen drive. So I am here a pen drive. There is a USB port. USB memory is written in the switcher, you can see easily. So this is my pen drive. There are one clips, few stills are there. So want to copy it from pen drive to this switcher. So let's plug it to the port just like that. Then I have to go into the file menu. How can I go? Press menu button and then you can see setup, still, mat, file. Press file button. The display is changed, come to the file menu. Here load, save. Load means if we want to copy anything from pen drive to the switcher, then it will perform load. And if we want to vice versa, means switcher to pen drive, then it will work for save. Now I am copying and still from pen drive to switcher, so have to go in load. Press F1, go to the load menu. Which type of things I want to copy? All, system, event, macro, sequence, still, clip. I will, and last one is update. Update means you can easily update if any firmware released later, then update will provided by company and you can update using this pen drive from here. So I am copying still, type still. Where should I load? VRAM or still 1, still 2. VRAM means virtual RAM. There is a virtual RAM in this switcher. You can load in virtual RAM also, or you can load it to the direct still 1 or still 2. Still 1, still 2 are the two stores in this switcher for clip or still. Type still, we want to load it in still 1, so still 1. Now which file should I load? Have to select from, there are two files, no, 3, 4 files are there, but this one is better, I know. Chroma 2 is better, so I want to save this image Chroma 002. The naming of the file is already in my pen drive, is shown here. Want to copy from pen drive to still 1 of this switcher. So press completed. You can see in the monitor in still 1 window the photo is already, image is already came. If I want to change it, suppose I want to change this one, sorry, this one, you can look into the monitor, image is changed. That means by this way you can copy any still into the still memory of this switcher from pen drive. Suppose you want to load a clip file, not still, then again go to the load, type clip, load, it may be VRAM or it may be clip 1. I am saving in clip 2. Flame is folder, and under this folder there is a file clp.lst, execute. This is 60 frame, a file of 60 frame which is loaded into the switcher from the pen drive into the still 2. The name is still 2, but this is clip, actually clip 2. Let's wait. Loading is 17%, 18%. It will go up to 60, not percent, it's 60 frame. Then you can easily see here. (42, 43, 44) you can see in the multi view still 2 after the data is loading. Which clip is loaded you can see in the multi view. Yes, completed. But look into the monitor, you cannot see anything clip in the still 2. Why? Because the first frame is black of the clip is loaded into the switcher. So if you want to play this clip, then you have to go into the still. How to go still? Menu, still menu will open and enter into the still clip. Next page, next page, next page. This one is the page number 4. In still 2 we have saved our clip in still 2. So still 2, you can see there are 60 frames already shown. So if I want to push the play button, you can see here the video will play. Again play, stop. But if I want to, it will repeatedly play. Then go to the next page. Loop play is on, should on. Sorry. So loop play is means normal. Then go to the previous page and play. Then it will play repeatedly. You can see. So in this way we can save our still or clip from pen drive to our switcher.